In the cosmic dance of the universe, there are patterns that are far too precise to be called coincidence. And one of the most awe inspiring is the sacred number 108 that adds up to 9, a number whispered by sages, sung in mantras, and reflected in the very fabric of our cosmos. The number 108 isn't just spiritual, it's astronomical. That's the sun, moon, and the earth, the way they are aligned in a way that echoes this sacred ratio with uncanny precision. The number in cosmic precision of space. Let's begin with the three facts that connect science with sacredness. The diameter of the sun is about 108 times the diameter of the earth. The distance between the earth and the sun is roughly 108 times the diameter of the sun. And the distance between the earth and the moon is also about 108 times the diameter of the moon. This extraordinary balance is what allows the sun and moon to appear the same size in our sky, giving us the perfect solar eclipses and a visual harmony that mirrors cosmic design. So, why does 108 matter in the Vedic tradition? Long before telescopes, ancient sages of India revered 108 as a sacred number, appearing in yoga, astrology, mantra recitation, and temple architecture. 108 beads on the mala, the japamala, and 108 names of deities in the stotras. 108 energy lines, the nadis converging at the heart chakra. 108 is seen as the bridge between the microcosm and the macrocosm. And now science confirms that the ancients intuited that 108 is coded into the cosmos itself, the sun, moon, and the earth, a sacred triad. The sun represents the soul, the moon is the mind, and the earth is our experiences. The relationship is not just physical, it's symbolic of the journey from light to reflection to realization. Through their alignment, nature reminds us we are not separate from the universe, we are designed with it, through it, and within it. So, coincidence or the cosmic intelligence? You may question that. Is this all just chance, or is there a deeper design, a universal geometry that balances light, life, and consciousness? The number 108 acts as a cosmic code, linking the movement of the heavens to the stillness of meditation, the breath to the stars, the finite to the infinite. In the precise chance between sun, moon, and earth, the universe whispers it's sacred, and that secret is 108, the divine ratio between distance and meaning, number of knowing, the self, and the source itself. In the ancient Vedic tradition and the calendar, time is not just a number, it is a pulse, a rhythm, and a living cycle that flows with the waxing and waning of the moon. At the heart of this cosmic rhythm are the tithis, the lunar days that form the foundation of Vedic timekeeping, rituals, and overall astrology. So, what is a tithi? A tithi is the angular distance of 12 degrees between the moon and the sun, as the moon moves approximately 12 degrees each day. A new tithi begins, marking a subtle change in the energy and the emotional atmosphere of the day. Each tithi is unique. It influences the quality of time and determines the nature of festivals, fasts, rituals, and even personal moods and decisions. So it's the story of two fortnights, Shukla and the Krishna Paksha. The lunar month is divided into two halves, or what's called as the Pakshas. The Shukla Paksha, the bright half from the new moon, which is the Amavasya, to the full moon, Purnima, is known as the moon waxing and growing in light. And the Krishna Paksha, the dark half, from the full moon to the next new moon, as the moon wanes and fades into the shadow. So there are 30 tithis of the Vedic month. Each month consists of 30 tithis, 15 in the Shukla Paksha and 15 in the Krishna Paksha. And here are their names flowing in the same sequence in both the Pakshas. It starts with the first 12 degrees, which is called as Pratipada, and continues. The second one is Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi, Panchami, Sashti, Saptami, Ashtami, Navami, Dashami, Ekadashi, Dvadashi, Trayodashi, Chaturdashi, and then comes the Purnima in the Shukla Paksha. And it's also called as Amavasya in the Krishna Paksha when it's the waning part of the moon. So these tithis are not just labels, they carry deep symbolic and spiritual meanings. For instance, Ekadashi is ideal for fasting and devotion, while Ashtami, which often brings intense spiritual and transformative energy, it's the half moon. Each tithi is divided into two karanas. Each tithi is split into two equal halves, one called a karana. Since there are 30 tithis, this gives us 30 karanas in a month. Karanas represent the action-based aspect of time. They influence the quality of work, decision making, and event outcomes. There are 11 unique karana names, with 4 being fixed and 7 repeating in the cycles. Together, tithis and karanas form the heartbeat of what's called as the Panchanga, the 5 limbs of Vedic timekeeping, which we'll discuss in another video. By understanding the tithis, we align ourselves not just with the moon's movement, but with the very fabric of cosmic time, a rhythm that echoes in our body, mind, and soul.